Good evening and welcome to this special episode of Nationwide at 6, which is coming to you from Maharashtra, Baramati. In fact, Ajit Pawar, a man known for his unabashed ambition, a man who for the last many decades had made his position as strong as cement in the politics of Maharashtra, rose under the shadow of his uncle Sharad Pawar and then outgrew him, even at one point of time when the party divided, taking the official symbol of that party, the man who wanted it all in Maharashtra politics, who's sometimes brash, sometimes controversial, but with a smile and wit, had a special place in the heart of his followers after his demise yesterday in that tragic plane crash. Today, Baramati and Maharashtra came in huge numbers, an outpouring of grief, to pay the last respects to the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, fondly known as Dada among his followers. This poster that you see behind me, that poster begins with saying Nishabd, absolutely out of words. And that's the shock that most of his followers have felt through the day. I have been here for the since last evening till today. I saw the proceedings with my own eyes, and it is also remarkable that there is this very last breed of grassroots leaders who could command this kind of respect, this kind of a relationship where people in their personal grief in every corner were crying, bidding goodbye, a final goodbye to Ajit Pawar. Former Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar today was cremated with full state honors in Baramati after his death yesterday in the sudden plane crash when he was trying to make his way to Baramati. His sons, Parth and Jay Pawar, lit the pyre at the funeral organized in Baramati, attended by tens of thousands of his followers. It was a tearful farewell for the Pawar family in Baramati. Sunetra Pawar, Ajit Pawar's wife, was seen breaking down before the mortal remains of her husband, giving him her final farewell. Top leaders from across the country and Maharashtra attended the last rites of Ajit Pawar in Baramati. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP President Nitin Nabin, along with Union Ministers, Goa Chief Minister, the entire cabinet of Maharashtra, and leaders of the opposition and leaders cutting across party lines made their presence. Huge crowds, tens of thousands of Ajit Pawar supporters came to pay their last respects to possibly one of their favorite sons. After Sharad Pawar, the most known name of the Pawar dynasty, the man who was undefeated in Baramati. Guard of honor was presented to a late Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. The Guard of honor was accorded to him in Baramati. Remember, Ajit Pawar's death, the state has announced a 3-day mourning across Maharashtra with the flag half-mast. And at this moment, not just Baramati, Pune, his strongholds, but Maharashtra reeling under the loss of one of the leaders that was dear to them. It was a tearful goodbye for the supporters and the family of Ajit Pawar. While the question on what happens next to NCP and his family, whether there is going to be a united party as well, all those will be answered in times to come. But today was the day to remember the life and times of Ajit Dada Pawar.
State honors, thousands in tears, political tributes, an inconsolable family. united in its moment of loss. Supriya Sule holding hands with Ajit Pawar's wife Sunetra as she bowed before the body of her husband one last time. Sons Parth and Jay lit the funeral pyre with grief in their hearts and tears rolling down their eyes. The distraught Pawar Parivar consoling each other, standing with each other in this moment of great loss. The family patriarch Sharad Pawar sat at the funeral site, all along visibly overwhelmed and emotional, as he bid farewell to his nephew and political protege. An emotional Baramati came out in thousands to bid farewell to its leader, Ajit Dada Pawar, who was synonymous with this sugarcane belt as its MLA for over 3 decades and its guardian. Crowds gathered from early morning as Ajit Pawar's mortal remains were taken on his final journey to the cremation ground. Ajit Dada Amar Rahe chants echoed all along. People overwhelmed and emotional as the tragic plane crash snatched their leader from them in a flash. Baramati, which remained Ajit Pawar's Karam Bhumi and his home throughout his political career, now also his final resting place. Political leaders across party lines paid their last respects. Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP President Nitin Nabin, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, and Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. Top leaders across the political spectrum paid their last respects to the man who was known to be a master coalition builder and political strategist. Actor Ritesh Deshmukh, whose family shared a deep personal bond with Ajit Pawar, also attended the funeral of the leader. The body draped in tricolour, salutary bugles, gun salute, and above all, thousands in mourning. Ajit Pawar got the send-off deserving of a people's leader. An NDTV Bureau report.
And among the thousands of the followers of Ajit Pawar in Baramati, many came with their personal anecdotes. He was known as somebody who could, in fact, call the Karyakartas by their name. Used to meet them as his own family. And that was visible, quite visible today when I was at that ground where the last rites took place. Many speaking about the anecdotes. There was massive outpouring of the grief. Some even came with his picture drawn in their own blood. This is the Vidya Pratishthan, and this is one of the model, the very showcase that the Pawars had in Baramati of how they completely changed the nature, the face of this constituency over the years. From senior Pawar, Sharad Pawar, and then of course the mantle went to Ajit Pawar, who won continuously from here 6 times as an MLA. They have, in fact, the people took them as their own. They knew, Ajit Pawar knew every Karyakarta, people by their first name, and that is why there has been such an outpouring of grief with so many people coming in. People like him, कहाँ से आए हो आप?
मैं बारसी से हूँ. ये खुद की खून से पेंटिंग बनाई है ये.
अपने खून से पेंटिंग बनाई है?
जी जी.
अजीत पवार जी के लिए?
जी जी.
क्या है इसमें, क्या लिखा है आपने?
मैंने इधर मेरा दुख, ये जो उनका नाम है, इधर मैंने मेरा खुद का नाम है, और ये जो ब्लड ने बनाई है, ब्लड से बनाई हुई पेंटिंग है.
पर क्यों ऐसा करा आपने? ब्लड से क्यों बनाया? इतना पसंद करते थे आप?
बहुत ज़्यादा, यानी कि वो हमारे घर का ही सदस्य थे. मैं 10 साल से उनको पहचानता हूँ, और हमारी उनकी मुलाकात 2-3 महीने में होती रहती थी.
मिलते थे उनसे? आखिरी बार कब मिले थे? क्या बोला उन्होंने?
आखिरी बार जब मैंने उनका पीपल के पत्ते पे ड्राइंग बनाया था, तो मैं एक आँख से मुझे दिखाई नहीं देता, तो उनको मैंने बोला था कि दादा मैं आपको मिलने वाला हूँ, तो बोले अभी लॉकडाउन है, हम जरूर मिलेंगे, थोड़ा सा संयम रखो। पर आज खेद इस बात का है कि वो भेंट अधूरी रह गई।
किधर से आए हो आप लोग?
पुणे से।
आज आप एनसीपी के सपोर्टर हो या अजीत दादा को?
दादा को मानते थे बहुत।
अजीत दादा को मानते हो?
बहुत ज्यादा।
कभी मिले उनसे?
हाँ 2-3 बार मिले।
क्या बोल, कभी कैसे
तो नहीं मिले कि खाली ऐसा भेंट हो गए।
देखा उनको?
हाँ
पसंद थे?
पसंद थे बहुत।
पसंद थे तुमको? बहुत सारे नेता है हमारा।
नहीं, नेता तो ऐसा नहीं ना, बहुत जबरदस्त था।
नेता पावरफुल नेता
और
थे,
बोलता है
ये महाराष्ट्र की शान थी।
महाराष्ट्र की बहुत अच्छे थे।
यकीन हो रहा है आप लोगों को कि ये चले गए?
नहीं ना ऐसा हुआ भाई नीचे की।
शॉकिंग है सर, एक शॉकिंग है सबके लिए, धक्कादायक है। एक सच्चा और खरा नेता गया है हमारा। सब यानी आज ये हो गए उनके बगैर, यानी खाली खाली महसूस कर रहे सब। अब उनकी जगह कोई भर के लेगा या नहीं लेगा ये पता नहीं है। वो तो महाराष्ट्र में ही नहीं, पूरे इंडिया में भी उनके जैसा काम करने वाला कोई नेता नहीं मिलेगा सर।
दादा हमारे लिए फैमिली मेंबर थे, दादा हमारे लिए सब कुछ थे, हमारे गॉड थे वो। अब दादा गए, ऐसा लग रहा है कि सब छीन लिया, भगवान ने हमारा सब छीन लिया है।
इमोशनल हो रहे हो आप बात कर?
यस, हमारा मार्केट, हमारे पीपल, सॉरी कांट डिस्क्राइब इन वर्ड्स।
This is the emotion, this is the attachment that he had from across the places, across communities. आप कहाँ से आए हो?
मैं धुलिया से आया हूँ।
धुलिया से आए हो?
मैं दादा की पार्टी से कॉरपोरेटर भी हूँ। हम लोगों ने इस बार धुलिया से इलेक्शन लड़ा, दादा के नाम पर ही वोट मांगा। दादा भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ होने के बावजूद भी मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी के अंदर दादा का बहुत अच्छा वजन था। हम लोगों ने पूरा माजी आमदार फारूक शाह साहब के साथ में हम सब लोगों ने दादा के नाम से मुस्लिम परिसर के अंदर जाकर वोट मांगा और हमको बहुत भरघोस वोट मिले दादा के नाम से।
बीजेपी में जाने के बाद भी कोई ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि भाई वो
मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी से दादा का टच कभी नहीं छूटा। दादा ने मार्डी बनवाया मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी के लिए, बार बार स्टेटमेंट दिया। दादा ने मौलाना मदरसा जाकिर हुसैन जैसी योजना लाई। दादा ने मौलाना आज़ाद महामंडल के अंदर जो फंड 400 था उसको 1000 करोड़ से भी ज़्यादा किया। दादा मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी के साथ हमेशा जुड़े रहे। दादा का
this was also one of the key factors of his politics. Despite switching alliances, going from one alliance to another, he had this ability to keep the people together, keep still transcend as far as the various communities are concerned. He could be with the BJP but could still get the support of the minority community as well. I just want to show you, this person has come on his vehicle, on his tricycle. There is the picture of Ajit Pawar as well. आप किधर से आए हो?
मैं मालेगांव से आया हूँ और दादा मैं भगवान समझता हूँ। दादा मैं 30 सालों से पहचानता हूँ दादा से, और कभी उन्होंने मुझे डांटा नहीं, कभी हमको गुस्से से बात किया नहीं, और दादा ही हमारे लिए भगवान।
होना रहा आपको बात करते करते?
हाँ, वो हर एक कार्यक्रम में हम दादा का प्रचार करते थे, दादा की आवाज़ निकलते थे। अब मेरे पास शब्द नहीं, मैं कैसे बोल पाऊँ आप आज। और दादा ही हमारे लिए भगवान। दादा ने हमारे हर एक समस्या छोड़ दिया।
मिलते थे आपसे?
और मिलते थे, ऐसे आकर हमारे चेहरे के ऊपर हाथ लगाते थे, बात करते थे। हमारे घर में आए, घर में ऐसे लेपटे के ऊपर बैठे दादा। ये दादा हमारे, ये दादा
आपके साथ हैं? बेटे आप इनके? आप कौन हैं?
सगे वाले
मिले इससे पहले कभी?
बहुत बार दादा गुस्से ले ऐसे दिखते थे पर वैसे नहीं थे। उनके पास छोटा बच्चा जाएगा ना तो भी वो काम झटके पट करेंगे। अभी हमारा जो भगवान चला गया, हमारी वेता किसके पास मानने का ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है, और ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था।
It's this feeling that these people had, that he was part of their family, and this is what made Ajit Pawar one of the most important, indomitable leader forces in the politics of Maharashtra. And with his sudden demise, the unpredictable politics that he used to practice and his very sudden, unpredictable death as well. It leaves a big void, not only for Baramati, among his supporters, but largely in politics of Maharashtra. While there is outpouring of grief for Ajit Pawar, the kind of man he was, one of the towering figures in politics of Maharashtra, and the void that he leaves is, of course, going to be a very big gap for anybody to fulfill. But let's not forget that there were 4 others on board this jet, the ill-fated private jet, which crashed yesterday in Baramati. Captain Sumit Kapoor, a co-pilot Shambhavi Pathak, along with Ajit Pawar's PSO, and also the crew member who was on board this aircraft. 5 families today reeling with one of the biggest tragedies ever that they will face. I'm slipping into a very short break at this moment. I'm coming back with much more on the other side on Nationwide. Stay tuned.